I want to think about being a neutral person, a neutral canvas, so that from this neutrality, I can go deep and discover unconscious realms. So then I will take my face in. This is the hardest part, with no judgment. You really look at your face with no judgment. And we have this wonderful little camera here. I can look right into that camera and really see two eyes, a nose, a mouth, and try to keep all of my judgments out of it. How small my eyes are, anything. I'm just going to try and just notice two eyes, a nose, and a mouth. And then I'll do the same thing with the mask. I'll notice two eyes, a nose, and a mouth. And then with the breath, which is perhaps the most important thing I have to share with you, is to breathe and how to breathe deeply and into your knees. I will put the mask on. With an inhalation of air, an exhalation breathes life into the mask. Notice. And a reverse breath takes the mask off. Now, what happens in that time is unconscious realms become clear. The possibility of where you can go, of what you can see, of what you can experience becomes available. And even on Zoom, it can work because the mask is so powerful and your wish to go there is so powerful. And once you've discovered how to be free and how to explore and how to discover fully with the mask on, you can then take the mask off and be wearing the mask and be able to be that full and that free and that courageous on your own.